A router can be a handy tool for woodworking and other projects, but it's essential to follow safety guidelines to prevent accidents and injuries. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and hearing protection. A dust mask or respirator may be needed depending on the material being routed. Loose clothing and jewelry should be avoided to prevent entanglement with the tool. Before each use, inspect the router for any damage or wear. Check the power cord, switches, and base plate to ensure they are in proper working condition. Only use router bits that are suitable for the router and the task at hand. Make sure the router bit is securely fastened in the collet before operating the tool. Always secure the workpiece using clamps or other appropriate holding devices. This prevents the workpiece from moving during routing and reduces the risk of kickback. When turning on the router, begin at a low speed setting. Gradually increase the speed as you become more comfortable with the tool's operation. Keep both hands on the router and maintain a firm grip. Avoid placing your hands near the router bit or base while the tool is running. Always keep the router base flat on the work surface. Do not tilt or lift the router during operation. For handheld routing, move the router against the rotation of the bit. If using a router table, feed the workpiece from right to left against the bit rotation. Avoid making deep cuts on a single pass. Gradually increase the depth with multiple passes. This will prevent overloading the router and ensuring a cleaner cut. If using a router table, ensure the router is securely mounted and the router bit is not exposed more than necessary. Use appropriate feather boards and push sticks for added safety. Always unplug the router or remove the battery when changing router bits or making adjustments to the tool. Whenever possible, use jigs, guides, or templates to maintain consistent and safe routing. Remove debris, sawdust, and chips from the work area to maintain better visibility and reduce the risk of accidents. When not in use, store the router in a safe and dry location. Remember, while routers are versatile tools, they can be dangerous if not used properly. Always prioritize safety and take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and others around you.